Take a close look at this. It's not a fake prop. It is a real loaf of bread, baked over 2,000 years ago. Scientists are actually scanning it today to unlock its secrets. Now, look at these figures. They aren't statues or carvings. They were real people, living, breathing human beings, just like you and me. Back in 79 AD, Pompeii was buzzing with life. The rich were partying, drinking wine. Regular folks were busy in the markets. And kids were playing in the streets. No one had a clue that the mountain looming behind them was a ticking time bomb. Then, on August 24th, things got weird. The ground started shaking. Dogs started howling. Something was wrong. Around 1 p.m., hell broke loose. A massive column of ash shot miles into the sky. People just froze. They couldn't understand what was happening. In minutes, day turned into pitch black night. And it wasn't rain falling from the sky, it was burning rock. Roofs started collapsing under the heavy ash. Even the sea was too violent to escape. So many just hid in their homes, waiting. Then came the end. A massive wave of superheated gas, moving at 400 miles an hour, rushed down the mountain. It was over 500 degrees. One breath would burn your lungs instantly. Everything in its path just died. In just a few hours, the entire city vanished. It was buried and forgotten for nearly 1,700 years, until we finally found it again. Excavators found these hollow spaces in the hardened ash. When they poured plaster into them, they revealed history's most heartbreaking sight. Their final moments were frozen in time. You can see their clothes, the fear on their faces. Some look peaceful, like they're just sleeping. But look at this couple, holding each other, until the very end. A mother, trying to shield her baby. And this poor dog, still waiting for a master, who never came back. It shows us just how fragile life really is. And the scariest part? That volcano. Mount Vesuvius isn't dead. It's just sleeping. For more stories like this, subscribe to Creative Insights.